Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do tracking objects in a CapCut PC. So in this case, I'm going to use tags and also stickers that follows the scars on the video. For the import clip, you can just let's just click on add tags, and in here, I'm going to just write green car. Here you can adjust the position and also the size of the text. First I'm going to change the color. Okay, now just tap on the tracking at the top and use the motion track. Here you need to adjust the object to track. So here in this case I'm going to click on or select the green cars right here. You can adjust the direction, scale, and also distance. After that, you can click on start, and let's just wait until the CapCut do the tracking like this. You can just wait, and let's use the same steps for the stickers also. Okay, so the tracking is completed for the tags. Okay, so now let's add stickers. Here I'm going to go to the stickers options, and let's find the stickers one in here. Let's find the arrow sticker. Okay, this one's right here. Download the sticker first. Don't forget to adjust the size. Okay, I'm going to go in here, click on the stickers, and tap on tracking, motion tracking, and here select the object to track, which is the car. Again, adjust the size. And click on start. Just wait until it's done. So now the tracking is completed, and this will be the result for the tracking both text and also stickers. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.